was in part 2, fiddling with that thing where I hold G, but then it slipped, and it went zooming, like, off the screen, like, it can do this. Like, if I do this real quick, it goes off the screen and rebounds like it's on a donut. And then that happened, and I tried to fix it, but I didn't select all the ones that I was supposed to. So it ended up exploding. Sadly. And I want to see what this looks like. That was that. Where's my camera? I forget how you move it. Happened. That's where the main jumble is. There's some there, and that was what I forgot to deselect. Oh. It's already ruined. Let's just have some fun with it. No, get back. And then the ones I forgot to select. G. Oh, and it's Z fighting. That's wonderful. Simply delicious. I am the grabber. Okay. Oh. Oh gosh. Whoa. I want those. No, I want those. I forget what this thing I'm doing is. Proportional something. I'm gonna try to get this. It's like a bomb goes off. It just pushes it out of the way. I'm full of swivel dribbles. Amadama. Oh, no. No, you scroll up to go down. No, it doesn't make much sense. I'm just gonna try to compress it so that the camera can read it, at least, all of it. Where's the camera again? Well, we're close. It's like right there. You can kind of see like that little orange triangle. What does the render look like now? Oh, some draping curtains. I forget how to change its color. I'm gonna do that. Oh, I actually kind of like this. It's epic looking. Like, I could see this being some kind of Leviathan iceberg. Good. You know. Ooh. What? What? Oh, you? Oh no. You can hardly see it. And does F9 still open? No, you can't change the resolution anymore. This should look cool. It's just there. I'm going to have to change that. This... Oh, there's so many chords. That, is it even pointing the right way? That's why. So if I do this and move that there, then I should get something. I hope. Please. It's certainly something. I kind of like the little curve there. It's sharp, but then it's not. It looks like the water bugs in a pond. Oh, it kind of looks like a malformed heart. I think that's good enough. Yippee. I will, since it still looks cool.